Hello, my sweets. This is Sweets My Way, where I bring you the sweet recipes my way. Thank you all for clicking to watch this video. My name is Miranda. If you guys are new, welcome. And today we are going to make a sweet treat in spirit of Halloween. Since, it's around the corner, why not? If you guys have a Halloween party that you're going to attend to, need something quick, easy, I got you. Don't worry. I got you. All products, ingredients, and measurements will be down in the description box below. And if you haven't already, please like and subscribe to my channel. Come and join the Sweets team. And turn on that notification bell so that you guys are notified when I post. Finally, be sure to follow the Sweets My Way Instagram page. And without further ado, let's get started to these spectacular treats.
Alright you all, so the ingredients you see laid out on the table will all be down in the description box. So let's get started. We're going to use a box of butter yellow cake mix and follow the instructions on the back. In addition to adding the third cup of butter, cup of water, and 3 eggs, I'm going to add a box of vanilla pudding. This is going to help enhance our box cake and give us a moist cake. And once everything has been added to the mixer, I am going to mix away. So everything is incorporated and our cake batter looks a little something like this. Now I'm going to put this off to the side for a moment and start on our chocolate cake mix. Again, we are going to follow the instructions on the back and add a pack of chocolate pudding mix, along with 3 eggs, a cup of water, and a half a cup of Crisco buttered flavored shortening. I prefer shortening over oil when baking, but you can use oil if you like. And once everything is in the mixer, I'm going to mix this until everything is fully incorporated. Now that everything is mixed, it's time for the assembling. I am going to use the ice cream scoop and place 2 scoops each in each cupcake holder. This recipe can make 12 cupcakes each, but today we are going to do half of that. So 6 chocolate, 6 vanilla. And if you tune in for more videos, you'll see what I do with that leftover cake mix. So don't you worry, I got y'all. There'll be another video from now on what I do with that leftover cake mix. Once everyone is nestled in their cupcake tins, I'm going to put this in a 350-degree oven for 20 to 25 minutes or until a toothpick comes out clean after poking them. And once they're done, I have the cupcakes sit on the counter to cool, and while they're cooling off, we'll move on to frosting. Cream cheese frosting, because I prefer cream cheese frosting over buttercream. For my cream cheese frosting, I'm going to use 2 packs of cream cheese and 2 sticks of butter. Mix that until it's blended evenly. And to that, I'm also going to add a half a teaspoon of salt and 2 teaspoons of vanilla. And before we start mixing again, I'm going to sift my 6 cups of powdered sugar, just so it doesn't go in and mix her all lumpy and stuff. And then we'll blend this until fully incorporated. And again, leftover frosting will be used in another upcoming video. Tune in for that video because I do not believe in wasting ingredients. Okay? You guys, I forgot to mention, before I started baking, I want to say like maybe 3 hours before, I had all my ingredients sit out just so they can get the room temperature. So the butter that I'm using is softened, the cream cheese I'm using is softened, and the eggs are room temperature. Okay, so here I have 5 bowls. I'm going to try to evenly distribute my frosting into each of these bowls. Once I get that evenly distributed, I'm going to add my food coloring, mix this until it's blended, and then I'm going to put them in a Ziploc bag with a piping tip on the end. And for the final and last step, the fun part, decorating time. So clearly you all can see I am no professional when it comes to this. I'm not a cake decorator, I'm not a pastry chef, but the best advice that I can give to anyone who's a beginner, just have fun with it. I had tons of fun making these cupcakes and they were super delicious at the end. Please excuse my daughter Head. She got home from school and noticed I was making cupcakes and just got super excited and had to just hover over and watch my every move. So yeah, she was just as excited as I was. Well, this pretty much completes our video. Thank you all so much for watching, and if you like this video, please give us a big thumbs up and comment down below. Also, for more sweet and fun recipes, subscribe to my channel. Come join the sweets team. Don't be bitter. Okay? And until next time, keep it sweet, you all. Bye, you guys. I always feel like somebody's watching me.